Everyone is aware that robots are taking over and we are living in a world of AI. Yep, I'm talking about ChatGPT. Always have technology benefit you. So let's have this thing work for us and use it to our advantage. How can you make a form of income from ChatGPT? Don't worry about it. I have the answer for you. Content creation. Yes, using ChatGPT for content creation can be a cost-effective solution for content creators, as it can generate a large amount of text in a short amount of time. This can help content creators save time and money, which can be especially important for those working on a tighter budget. I'm going to be blunt. All of these have to do with content creation, but have no fear. The content creation industry is booming. Think of the whole industry as a creator economy, and you can be a part of it. According to HubSpot, there may only be 50 million content creators contributing to the creator economy. Still, the economy also consists of consumers, entrepreneurs, companies, platforms, and advertisers who keep the economy growing. You watching this right here might be a content creator, yet you are supporting this channel. Either way, there is no doubt the creator economy is incredibly profitable. As of 2022, the creator economy market size is estimated at $104.2 billion. Yes, with a B, billion dollars, more than double its value since 2019. Not to mention, in 2022, an average of 2.67 million concurrent viewers watched Twitch streams on over 95,000 live channels. There are 7.5 million active sellers on Etsy. Yes, creators who create and sell physical goods online are also a part of the creator economy. And YouTube has over 2.6 billion users worldwide. So where do we fit in with ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a way for you to literally ask an AI anything and have a full conversation. The perfect tool for a content creator. You can use ChatGPT to generate articles, blog posts, ideas for any of these, which you can then use to create more original content. Product descriptions for you Shopify users. You can create high quality content for your own website or for clients. This can help increase traffic to the site, which can lead to more ad revenue or affiliate income. ChatGPT is particularly beneficial for composing sections of an article that you may consider tedious, such as the introduction and conclusion. You can use that for YouTube also. What does this mean? If you go on Fiverr or a similar site, there are hundreds of people looking for copywriters and other written jobs. Stepping away from websites, social media posts can benefit from this also. ChatGPT can be used to generate engaging on-brand, very important, on-brand media posts. This can help increase the reach and engagement of your social media accounts, which can in turn help increase affiliate income or lead to paid partnerships with brands. Content creators can provide ChatGPT with a few prompts or keywords, and it will generate text that can be used as the post caption. This can take away from so much time trying to come up with something and return time to yourself as a content creator to do other things or your family. ChatGPT can also be used to generate relevant hashtags for social media posts. By providing ChatGPT with the topic or theme of the post, it can generate a list of relevant hashtags that can help the post reach a wider audience. It doesn't end there. Content creators can use ChatGPT to quickly and efficiently respond to comments, which can help them build a stronger relationship with their followers. Some developers have integrated ChatGPT with scheduling and posting tools, allowing ChatGPT to schedule and post the generated text. Woo, I said ChatGPT so many times in this video. This can save content creators time and help them stay consistent with their posting schedule. ChatGPT can be fine-tuned to understand specific topics or industries. This allows content creators to generate niche content that is highly relevant to their target audience, which is very important for whether you're a financial channel, let's say for instance, YouTube, because this is what I'm doing currently, technology, you talk about cars, the automotive, aircrafts, whatever the case may be, it is perfect for you. For example, a content creator in the technology industry can fine-tune ChatGPT to generate articles on the latest tech trends. Do keep in mind though, ChatGPT is currently limited to events and data around the 2021 timeframe. From ebooks, email campaigns, scripting videos, scripting courses, the possibilities are almost endless. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for content creators looking to streamline their workflow and generate high-quality content more efficiently. With its ability to generate text on a wide range of topics, fine-tune specific niches, and help with editing and proofreading, ChatGPT can be a valuable asset for any content creator. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.